Alright, I've ran the checking the Z-gap procedure. And one thing I found is that if Z is set at 0 above the print bed, this procedure will not allow you to lower it lower than 0. So it's hard to get back down to the bed height. And so I used a combination of what I learned in it, as along with the guide for manual bed calibration, to get the unit kind of zeroed in, and then with a 300 micron gap. Alright, so between the M3D print spooler, utility, homing it out, and then absolute mode, G0, Z0 type commands, as well as going into the actual printer software and the calibration where the cat is sitting there in the middle, moving the 0 center and the 4 corners and tweaking them. I've got a 300 micron gap. So for instance, let's just go to our diagnostics tab, move to center, which I'm already there, but this will go positive 0, minus 0. I'm using an index card, just a little thicker, a little more rigid. They're thicker than just normal paper, but measuring them with my calipers, they're 150 microns each, so 2 cards. I'm feeling just a slight drag, and that's the same for all 4 corners. Now, so the next thing you recommend is to run the border test. I happen to have quite a bit of the Tough 3D ink. That's what I've been primarily printing with, and then I have a spool of the carbon fiber. I didn't get any standard PLA, and I need to get some of that, maybe for testing some of this stuff out. But in the past, I've printed with this Tough 3D ink. Orange Heft made some fairly nice parts. That was one of them. So this stuff prints. If I go, or used to, at least. So we'll see what it does here. I want to hit the print test border, and this will probably take a few minutes. Please clean the nozzle, make sure the bed is clear. We just did our 0 testing, that's all good. New job is started, okay. There is no border, when you're printing the border test, there is no abort option. I don't know if you maybe could go into this print spooler and hit emergency stop. Not tried that. So I'm assuming it was warming up. Setting the Z height, and then it comes up here to the corner, front left corner to start. So it tends to put a glob down here in the corner, I guess, just to try to get it to the stick. And then in this case, it's either bird nesting or it's quit extruding. I'm not sure. I don't see a huge buildup, but there is a little beside of it. Typically, I've been getting the past several times a string from the front left corner to the front right corner. However, about a quarter of the way across, it quit sticking, and then by this time, it's drug that back and kind of broken it loose. Let's see if we can drop it down here a little bit and see the nozzle in better detail. It's bird nesting just a little bit. But it's not printing or sticking or any of the above. Now as it starts to retract, it's let go of any of the string material caught on the bottom of the nozzle. It's still got a really thin string connected to the nozzle at this point.